I've been trying not to speak on this case because of the court case this lady has. I tried, but unfortunately, I've been pushed to the extent where I have to really speak and speak my truth and speak my role in everything they are trying to. Some people said that maybe she's is a way of disclaiming the church. No, who they tell you say there's a disclaim church? If Olukoya talk another thing, if I see a video on social media tomorrow, he talk another miracle story, say, Pikin head, he grow, I will talk. I go talk. Hello? I still they talk on offering and tithes. So make na they use na head. Don't do follow. Make na they help me use in her head. No do follow. Adunni is still talking about pastor. If not be this matter will come up, I get Shebi Pastor Kilonje Isaac Omonenyi case is still trending. I still saw their post on YouTube Punch this afternoon, less than 30 minutes ago, that Khan is warning Pastor Omonenyi. I go put him out for that matter. Make I finish with this one, as this one can't come up now. I've been trying to stay away saying too much on this Mureen's case, but since they are all dragging me back and forth, the drag no correct, no concern me, but I just have to put some things right so that people who are watching we understand what is really going on. So I welcome every one of you, and I say I'm very fine, Chidera. How are you doing? And don't worry, no worry. This is a no stress show. Ekale everybody, I welcome you. So I saw this video. Funke, now your own is tomorrow. You were not doing, all of you. She liberation kankan and power sapo yini. And you are destroying people's lives in the process of that you are making money. I've never destroyed anybody's life in the process of doing. How many people did I put their lives on at risk from creating awareness? You know how many people are on exile because of your case? You know how many people's children are hiding because you put them into wahala? They come. Let me quickly play the video Maureen did for me that was sent to me. Because me, I have blocked her. I have blocked her because I said, but she did a video and she was putting out wrong narrative. You cannot tell me not to respond to that. If pastors are responding, my ex-daddy self don't respond about what is going on. Say people ask her, they are stressing him because he asks people to donate money. My ex-daddy respond, we are all human being. Make I no talk. Any tobani kima talk in my blocking yini. Yes, I had enough rest. Thank you so much. All right, let's listen to the video she did for me today. Adunni continue to dish out rubbish without any proof. Where is the proof you have concerning MFM? Me, I spoke on Redeem, and I have my proof. And that is why Redeem cannot take me to court. I have evidence of the payments we were making, the church we pastored, what we went through, how we pay tithes, how we pay first fruits, how at the end of the day, not because I want to continue to be a pastor. At that moment, being a pastor was the wrong thing. I mean, the last thing on my mind. My husband just died less than 6 weeks, going not less up to 2 months. They stopped me from coming to the same church that I thought was a family church. And then I left. Later, they asked for me. They came to beg me in my house to come back to one of the biggest parish very close by. And I started going there. And I know they wanted to use me again. And they said I should come and be a worker. I said I'm not yet to be a worker. I've told the story. I didn't hide my story. All of you, kidding MFM, what did Sule do to you? Apostle Sule, Evan Pepas, our customer Sule. Help me to call Apostle Sule Johnson member. Make them come here. Waiting Maureen talk about their church and why he's after their church. Shebi Panana talk am. All of you no believe to Anana. I dey come. Long thing lele. Èmi lè fẹ́ bà lórúkọ jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin tó pé ìgangan lẹ lórúkọ.
Address some pressing issues.
Let me put it on speaker. Alabosi ni mi. Alabosi is better than a thief. Let me put it on speaker. Alabosi is better than a thief. People manipulating to steal. Alabosi ni mi. I own it with my chest. Mo mú ẹrí ni tí ma fi wà lóyà sí ẹ. Kí n jẹ́ kẹ́ pa mí in the process of being lawyer. Kẹ́ rán mi lọ sọ́run. Or put me in tight trouble, make them collect my house. Alabosi ni mi o, I own it. America leleyi. If you hold litigation money, then slam you damages, you know if you pay, then go collect your house. Make them collect house where I no take social media money build. Alabosi ni mi o, because I refuse to run with your rubbish and nonsense. I was just doing my own. Any video I see on social media, I go carry. Let me put it on speaker, Gere. Adunni is Alabosi big time. Oh yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for everything, especially those of you that follow my page from 2018 to date. It has gotten to a stage that I need to some pressing issues, most especially from this Alabosi that call herself Adunni. I don't know her from Adams. I'm on social media. She came to me on her own. She came to me. She called.
And if I came to you on my own, what's the big deal about that? A lot of people come to me. What is there to go gloat about? What's there to gloat about? Simba, come on your own, uncle. I'm going to feeling funky. In feeling funky, who do you think you are? You that you they so clothes for you. Timo any party funke. The clothes that you are wearing is looking like a carpenter's dress. Hey, Igbeke feeling funky. She came to me on your own. Mowa toro wo lowo eni. Did I come to beg you for money? Did I come to you to beg for money? Apostle Sule, come here. I have some things to say to you. Ewagbo, reason why they are fighting me. Oh yeah.
Got my number from the Facebook. She called me. Madam, I love what you are doing. Thank you very much. I want to support what you are doing. I want to support you. I am one of your followers. This is.
You are a liar, Mureen. A big liar that you are. I only commented on your post. And I said, so somebody can be talking about pastor. I love what you're doing. Yes, I said so. And what's the big deal? A lot of people have sent me message telling me how they love what I'm doing. And what's the big deal about that? You want to make yourself feel like somebody. You are feeling like somebody. One way more than in Nigeria. Nobody could take your bail. One way more than in Nigeria. You used almost 2 months. Nobody could rescue you. I thought you knew people. I am coming in case I forget. Remind me. I don't get full gist how she was arrested. Oloju kokoro. Oloju kokoro, oloju insect. I will tell them how you were arrested. Báwo no she arrested to ban shole. Oloju kokoro. Aláìní tẹ́lọ́rùn. Oh yeah.
Do understand that's fine. It's good. And since then, I've been supporting her. To God be the glory.
You never supported me. I only approached you once during Mommy Gio's case and my sister, and I begged you. And what's the big deal? People have come to my social media space to speak on my page. I don't charge a dime. I am putting it out to you that you charge. You charge people to speak for them on your channel. I will play a video, evidence of somebody you told that you don't want to do a show because a show cannot bring money. I don't talk about shows where they Jawo, Mrs. Jawo, wicked people.
You will come to me. And I'm going to show you, even with monetization and everything. But at this stage, I can see that maybe she got dementia and there's some.
Dementia. You are the one that has dementia. They cannot lock people in Nigerian kiri. Komani dementia. You don't know the meaning of dementia. Have I sounded like somebody who is forgetting anything when I speak? How do I have dementia? That's what they are telling people on social media. Leave her, she has dementia. That's why she's talking like that. I am more coherent, more explicit when I talk than you. Ìwọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ni tó ní tó ń datọ́. Igbeke feeling funky. Social media champion. Want to move champion, want to relegate, they pay now. No me kuku relegate you. Now you and Sule drag. When Sule finish your life. And that system, they still take cash you for Nigeria. Very greedy fellow. very greedy. Oh yeah.
They call memory failure. I think her memory is failing her because there are a lot of wrong narrative, a lot of lies she continues to put out there, which I think I need to address. I don't do fracas. This woman has been coming from me since.
Shut up. You are a fracas person on social media. Everybody knows you. You are a fracas, correct fracas. And I will play the video of one of the people, not even one, about 2 people on fracas side. Tonti drag. You came back from social media. I mean, from your kiri. You did not face one guy. What is this guy's name? Victor King. That told your story, your life story. Also everything. Yeye Kudi told your story. Oh, Loba, those are the people you have been having issues with. Ex-convicts. Oh, Loba, I want to timber fawala. This lady too. There is another lady that is one of these fracas people too. She has been dragging you. Who brought out your video of your prison uniform? Am I the one? You did not go to all these people. It's me you come to meet. Oh, why money dementia? Money. Somebody dementia uncle. Here dementia is a sin. I agree. But I am not a thief. I am not a thief. I'm not a manipulative person who pay people to lie. I don't do that. This is what people are not saying about you guys. I don't pay people to come and lie on people. Asiri ni bo ex-convicts. Asiri ò lè bo ìwọ lẹ́lẹ́wọ̀n. Greed ló gbé ẹ dé wọ̀n. It's your greed that got you to where you are today. And I'm going to tell them how they were able to arrest you. Greed. I have been telling people for about 2-3 years now. I don't have any affiliation with any blogger on social media at all, because me only get drag me sinu greed yin. You said me I'm a fracas person. Have you ever seen me fighting any fracas person on social media? You and these people have been dragging yourself for years. I don't change the narrative. People know now, except people that are just coming into social media today. Those are the people that will not know. Don't change it. Emi call this fracas person. You are the real fracas person, gangan.
2021 that I block her off. I maintain my lane, but unfortunately, because...
Tell them why you block me off. Blocking people off is not a big deal. I do block people too. Me, you block me on WhatsApp. Me, I block you everywhere. Kini big deal, you know, yeah? I have blocked you everywhere. In my purest of heart, when you came to Maryland, I thought we were really making peace. Until when I saw, let me cry because you didn't pick my call. Who is somebody among your people that are fighting for you? They said me. I don't have that I'm a nobody. Emi travel. Emi for what? Emi travel up and down. I'm still doing it till today. Last year, how many places, Lolo? I traveled well last year. I traveled very well last year. I just refuse to be drawn into your wickedness and your manipulation and your selfishness. Ikaniyi ati wati funke, I'm putting it to you. Ikaniyi, I have evidence. A lot of evidences. Beshefe bayi awon omo lomo je, all in the process of saying you are doing liberation. You guys are not doing no liberation. You are making use of these people to make money, not caring what is going to happen to them. Have you ever seen me put any victim at risk? Did you see me put any victim's life at risk? No. I protect my informants. I protect people who speak because I know it's risky. Ìwọ tó gbójú jáde, you thought nobody can catch you because some people told you they were bankrolling you, but nothing can happen to you. Now it has happened. Why are they still looking at you? You should be in London by now, but your case is a long thing. I was trying not to talk, not to not to complicate your case. Your criminal case is a criminal case. Why so ibi tó ti rí pastor tó ló ń bá ìyàwó èèyàn kan sùn? You mention names. I don't mention names when I'm talking. It is in the process of protecting my victims that I don't mention names. I will say don't mention name o. Mi ò dárúkọ anybody o. Don't mention name o. Ìwà lanu gbàgà. Wà ní pastor Tolu kan. Odo pastor odo ìyàwó pastor kini kan. Wà la gbàgà ni, and you will reach the like of people. A woman came to you, one of the people who is sponsoring you on your channel. Kí ló ṣe fún woman yẹn? She wanted you to speak for her. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, you were telling her pé ìwọ àtàwọn bloggers kan lẹ kó lọ mú 3 million wá before you can do the case for her. Yes or no? You said she needs to pay 3 million. The woman said, where will she see 3 million? You said that's the amount you wanted. Because one, me fẹ́ drag àwọn tí wọn ò dá sí mi, me fẹ́ drag wọn sínú case yìí. You mentioned somebody that you were going to pay 1 million to, another person you will pay 1 million to, then the remaining 1 million is going to be for you. That woman now said, please now, okay, those people should not talk for her. You now say she should bring 680,000. Did she pay you 680,000, yes or no? At the end of the day, you mess up that woman's life. Today, that woman has gone into hiding. Ika. Bring out anybody that asks me to collect money, that I collect money from. Don't tell me this is not necessary. Bola. Don't tell me this is not necessary.
Looking for my attention all the time. But I try to.
Your attention as what? When I came on social media, I met you on social media. I overtook you because I talk with sense. And I'm not only talking with sense, I don't dwell and bore people with stories. You were on Sule's case for 2-3 years. Kilode, Sule by Surini. You were talking like you were obsessed with Sule. I want to talk back case you even mess up their life. And I'm coming, I'll get there. Instead of you to go and face your problem.
But it has gotten to a stage that I need to address it. And for those of you that care to listen, this was her message to me. And she can bring it out. How many times I've called her in my life? She has always been the one calling, call me. And
I can count number of times that I called you. I called you once when I needed to set up my monetization because I was new on social media. And that's no big deal. People countless times. On Sunday, somebody still called me about monetization and I put her through. A lot of people have been putting through on monetization. I called you when you and Bisola, when you brought out a video about Ruth Matthews. And I said, please, can we just hold on and let's see what's going on? And you got upset. That was when I know you were upset with me for Bisola calling into my show. Everybody that was on that show on that day knew I was not the one that brought Bisola. I don't even know Bisola. I don't have close relation with Bisola. But Bisola thought I was close with you, and Bisola called into my show to come and explain what you did to her, that you are risking her life, that she sent you a video to keep, and you put that video out, that now, because of that, she feels her life is not safe. That why is it that your own thing is all about putting videos out for crowd? And I was trying to beg Bisola to take it easy. And from there, I became Alabosi. And you called me one time yourself. You said, you called me by yourself one day. You saw a video I did. You called me. You said, what sort of video am I doing? You wanted somebody to join you to fight Sule. And you said, and I quote you, and your video sheni, orúkọ Sule ń jáwó. So when Dorothy's blog, few weeks ago, posted a video and said she took her story to somebody 5-6 years ago, that person should help her amplify her story. Her child was still alive then. She said she came to you and said, please, I need somebody to speak to me, for me, in Nigeria social media space, that my daughter has been adopted in a wrong way, and these people are depriving me of seeing the child. That was the case I told you guys that I did, and I was arrested. I was taken to court. Okay? So when I was taken to court, the court told me, don't mention those people's name and don't talk about these people. And I stopped. But of course, that video I did really got the attention of a lot of people, and people saw it. But when this lady came to you, what you told the lady, exactly what you told me about Sule, Apostle Sule Johnson, Apostle Suleiman Johnson. You said, Adunni, Auntie Adunni, what sort of videos are you putting out when Sule's name is bringing in a lot of money? I said, I said, because I'm not part of the story. She said, it doesn't matter that she makes $15,000 every month. I say, she wanted to use that 15,000 to entice me so I can start talking about Sule. She said, Sule's name is bringing money, that she makes $15,000 every month. I said, I said, okay. I said, I will see if I can be talking about it. Because by then, my videos were going viral. I never get serious problem on my channel then. Immediately she said it, I said, okay. Oh. I now went. I said, hey, I called Aproko. Mona broke by me. Abro said, Aproko said, Auntie me, Teba Dasi. I've stopped following her. I said, why? She said, because what she's saying is not making sense anymore. Because I was new on social media then, so she thought she was going to use my naivety, all right? My vulnerability as a new person on social media, so that I can back up her voice. Now Aproko said, don't mind her. All these things she's saying, that was when Aproko told me everything about the story of Amos. I said, and because of that, I refused to talk about it. It was after that Bisola's case now came up and we stopped talking to each other. Oya Mungwe, who knows you? Who cares about you? Who are you? Who be you? Kilodi? Ingbeke feeling funky. You that you would dress like a bush girl. Hey, America man humble me o. America humble me o. Ìwọ sí èmi Mureen. Ìwọ sí èmi Mureen. Ìwọ tó ń ṣe nǹkan bó ṣe múra. Ìwọ. Your story is on social media. Go and meet Victor King. He told your life story on that place. I don't know. I don't know you from Adam, but these are people you've been rolling with that know your story very well. I will play the video if I want to. They are the people I expect you to face and debunk everything they said about you. Why me? Why me?
To you. And every allegation that she addressed, I will address every allegation from her. I never reply her, but it has gotten to a stage I'll reply her because I can see what she's out to do. She's putting the wrong narrative. But me, I've gone beyond all that. I understand social media very well. But there are some things that we need. This is my conversation with her. This is 6th of November 2021. She called me. She said, Madam, she sent a message to me rather. Please call me tomorrow. Hope you are good. And I said, hello, man, 11:54 a.m. And I said, oh, please bring out your evidence. And I'm challenging you, bring out your evidence of 15,000 where I discuss with you that I earn $15,000 every month on my YouTube channel. I need that evidence. Because I know you have memory failure. You say you advised me on Stephanie Otobo. That is a lie. It was.
I never said I advised you on Stephanie Otobo. I came on social media when I saw what you wanted to do with Otobo. You and Stephen Otobo. The evidence is on social media. Please, you guys, type Stephen Otobo. You will see how it ended with her and Otobo. Otobo lay curses on Mureen for using her. What I said about Stephen Otobo, I remember the video. People who are following me for long will remember this video when I did it. When she brought Sule out, when she was talking about Sule's case, don't forget, guys, she now made a book about Sule, calling Sule, Apostle Sule, Knocking Ministry. I think that's the title of the book. She now used the picture of some girls, about 3 or 4 girls. She now put the picture of Sule on top of that video. You understand? When she now put the video on that, I want to disappoint you forever and ever, Jeffrey. I don't know you. You can as well put on your social media space and do it the way they are doing it. I will forever disappoint you people because I refuse to allow you followers, and you followers is Sonu, to put me into trouble. I refuse to dance to your tune. Back boo me, unfollow me. I don't give a hoot. I stand on the path of truth. I stand on the path of humanity. Funke can boldly say it today and say, did she send Richard to prison? Richard was a free man until Funke posted what the judge said in the court. That is defamation of that is contempt of court against Richard. That is why Richard is arrested today. Funke was telling, is she the one that put Kinis in the jail? She was dancing. Meanwhile, I have your story. Funke, evidence how you are paying these people to bring out narration that is not right. Evidence, concrete evidence. Mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ tí n bá ní evidence. Mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ tí mi ò bá mọ nǹkan. Instead, I will say as I was told, oh, but this one is not as I was told. Correct investigation and correct evidence. Mo máa gbé jáde tó bá tásìkò. Ó ti Funke sí Richard the same one, and you guys can be dancing the same way. Mureen, where is Amos? What did you do to Amos? What did you do to Amos' marriage? What did you do to Amos' marriage? What were you using Amos to do in UK? Today, people will know who you are. They will know who you are. Ẹ̀yin kadede. Ẹ dẹ̀ bí àwọn ọmọ tí yín, ẹ kún àwọn ọmọ sẹ́yìn. Tẹ́ bá jẹ́ òbí gidi ni, tẹ́ bá jẹ́ èèyàn gidi ni. That one you are so desperate for the money. You want to open a Telegram group. Your Funke husband is in Telegram group. Pretend the people didn't know. Ẹ dẹ̀ ń gba owó. Funke's children are in the Telegram group. Your own child is in Telegram group. Kí làwọn ọmọ yín wá ní Telegram group orí social media? Ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú tó ń tẹ̀yìn. What are your children doing on Telegram group? Mo ń bọ̀.
Stephanie Otobo, it was
Okay.
Bisola.
I was trying to talk about when I spoke about Stephanie Otobo. When she now did that book, she wrote that book, put Stephanie Otobo inside that book. I was so upset as a mother. I came out. I said, Funke, I said, Mureen, this is wrong. This is wrong. Will you put the face of your own child on a booklet? Because you want to you want to sell a story. I said, this is wrong. You have children of this girl's age. Okay, this girl has a problem with Apostle Sule Johnson. I said, and so F what? She was an adult when she went to him. It was because the money is not rolling again. The same way Alima, I stand on that point. Those were the points I made then. Tí nǹkan bá wá ṣe wọ́n from the ojú kòkòrò ló gbé wọn débẹ̀. Let this girl move on with her life and stop using her face and her name. Shortly after, maybe 1 or 2 months or 3 months after, was when Otobo came out. She abused the daylight out of Mureen. She abused the daylight of how Mureen has been using her. How Mureen messed her up. How her security, she doesn't feel safe. Today, that girl is back. I told that girl and advised that girl, I said, Stephen, go and get a life. Go and get a life. You are too young to destroy your life. You are too young for people to use you and mess you up. I said, go and get a life. Go and hide your head somewhere. And that lady went off social media for a while. Today, she's back on social media doing her life. Doing her life because I am a mother. Mi ò ní báyé èèyàn jẹ́ láti wí àwíjàre. That is what you guys are doing. You are destroying lives to get what you want. Ẹ lọ wá ṣẹ́ṣe. Ẹ lọ wá ṣẹ́ṣe. Owó COS ò wọlé mọ́. Òun ló gbé ẹdẹ wọn ní Nàìjíríà. I am coming to that. Owó CS no enter again. Lọ dá owó àwọn oní COS padà. Gbogbo ìjọ tó rọ́ nípa COS in UK, everything wà lọ́wọ́ mi. Lọ dá owó wọn padà.
Johnson's case during Ruth Matthew. And I'm going to expose everything. And that was where we had our issues. And tell me where I've come to you. Come and guide you on what to do on your platform. Apart from when you come to me to ask for professional advice, I don't do abusi.
So telling you guys to soft pedal is telling you what to do on your social media space. Ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ti ṣe ẹ ti bára yín bí tẹ́ fẹ́ bára yín. And I keep saying it. If any of the churches have a case against me, they will come to me like they came to you in UK and London, and in UK and America here. Your friend, 375,000 is what she has to pay government back. I mean, pay the people fighting her. Oh, she wa bá mi ṣẹjọ́, tọ́n bá lẹ́jọ́ against me. You, they came to UK, 100,000, another 75,000 pounds. Oh, you are to pay to them. Ṣó ti san? Oh, ti san. You filed for bankruptcy. You are now doing COS underground. Oh, she COS underground. Tẹ́bálẹ̀ gbọ́n ní gbọ́n ará Nigeria. Wọ́n á fi yín some bills. They are not different from the pastors they are talking about. They are worse than pastors. These people. Ohun àti Funke. Funke Ọláni títí ẹ. Failed pastor. Ó fẹ́ di pastor. Lọ sí church tí yín ó fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ church. you want to go and steal. That one goes steal. They want to steal church. That one wants to steal church. Kori church is still illusion.
Go.
As for Funke, tomorrow needs here. Oh yeah.
I don't do abosi. I don't do fracas. You are the one going.
You don't do fracas. How many fracas people don't do video for me? Now you where I see where fracas people they do video for. Now you where I hear say you and fracas people now don't date. You are one of the fracas person. They say now date the same man. Abi, and you are not into fracas. All of you where you on social media. We don't take for social media. Eba me confirm Timba Paro. She said she's not into fracas. Now me know they in fracas and I will never be in fracas. But this one, I will explain myself. You have never been to fracas.
I have everything put down. What you have done to me in the past. And if you didn't do anything, why are you begging me in Baltimore, Adunni? If you did not do anything.
Sorry what if Funke Olorun ma doju sin. I will explain why I begged you about Baltimore. And I'm very glad Funke was exposed today that she's a wicked and a sneaky person with her innocent face. Funke called me and said, I want to do birthday for my mom. I said, no problem. I said, where? Because I don't go to long distance party. She told me, I said, okay, it's not so far. I said, okay. She said, we took gele and dress. What color? She told me. I said, I have the color, but let me buy gele because I don't buy a show. No be today I dey talk am. Buy, send me the gele, and she sent me the gele. I never knew Funke had agenda. Me and Funke, we are not friends. I have seen Funke for a long time. I dey avoid her problem because I know what she's fighting for. I don't understand. And I saw through her that is like this Funke too. She wants to start a church. I said it's Tete. So I tried to avoid her. But she's always calling on my show. So she said she wants to have a party. I never knew the party was actually to initiate me to start talking for them. Don't forget I am new among all of them. So I now went for the party. She now told me, Mureen is coming too. Oh, that when she comes, she wants us to settle. And I said, I'm not fighting Mureen. I only spoke the truth. If that is what she's upset for, no problem. That woman now said, please now, Funke now say, Adunni, John now, please, let it slide. I said, I'm not fighting her. That one now said, okay, she will come. We should just, settle everything. I said, no problem. And I went for the party. Immediately I saw Mureen, I stood up. Because I'm a peaceful person. And I didn't see beyond you people. And I said, it's okay, if there is any way I've offended you, let's leave it and let's forgive each other. I am sorry if I offended you. And that was it. And these are people that call themselves Christian. No? If they want to start a show, Father, we want to thank you for today. If you hypnotize the member, no. Their followers. Father, we want to thank you for today. As we start today's show, we come in the show. Kilo leto nye. Oyinbo show. How many times have you seen Oyinbo say, you want to commit the show unto your hand? We ask you that you take absolute control. We come against every evil spirit. We come against the spirit of corridor power. We come against the spirit of Sule. We come against every attack of the enemy. Lori kene. Lori pan create awareness. Awa memi lo. Awa memi lo gmoyin. Father, we thank you. Begin to pray. Begin to help us to take charge of the system, of the atmosphere. The enemy is not resting. We cannot rest too. Ìyẹn náà fi kó àwọn customer tí wọn náà lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ. Lẹ fi lọ sí evil WhatsApp group. Tẹ fi ń dá owó biribiri. Kéèyàn kan máa dá $4,000 lórí waiting. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń káwé èèyàn lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ. Ó tún ṣe tán. Mureen, mo ti ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn ní pé wọ́n náà sọ pé ò lè gbé inú ilé mọ́. Sheraton àti kíní ló fẹ́ máa gbé. Is either they rent Sheraton for you, 300,000 naira a day, or they pay for Radisson Blue. Nigeria we AD. Lórí wípé à ń ṣe awareness. Lórí wípé à ń ṣe awareness. Ẹ kóra yín sọ́hun privately call. Lórí wípé à ń ṣe awareness, àwa gbàdúrà lọ. Lórí irọ́. Wọ́n ní Sheraton ló sọ pé ó fẹ́ máa gbé iye báyìí ló máa cost. Come and get ready láti dáwó. And I even had something. They said out of the 688, because I don't bust bubble, 688 people in that Telegram channel, you have removed 300 because you don't trust where I'm getting my information from. Well, when you get information, I still got information this morning. Oh, yeah. So I don't know you too. So after Funke now reconciled, I now said that, okay, Ijatito Orindo will. I never knew they have their plans. Now me I say, make I call Mureen, make I carry and go chop. Oh, say I no fight time. Oh, make we no fight. Oh, make everybody they do their own. No. Now she say she no go, she no pick my call. I can't call Proko. After some days, I've called Mureen 2 or 3 times now. She's not picking my call. I say, what is really going on? She said, Auntie, I've always told you, please be careful of these people. I'm not comfortable with your association with them. Just be careful. I don't want them to use you and put you in trouble. I told her, bro, and since then I left it. But I now found out, Funke, let's say big bear. Funke, Funke, to my meme lórí social media. Funke will want to do show. She will say, Ilikaya, I'm here for you again. This is the moment of truth. Let us pray. Father, we want to thank you. We bless your day. We thank you. Blessing you, my son. Emi Oshekwaya, make my voice not be, if it be like frog for your ear. Blessing the day, oh my son. How wonderful you are, Lord. We thank you. After she do that one finish, the next thing you hear, Elikaya, the Lord will crumble you. Olukoya, no matter what you have, God of my God did I serve. How many God? Olukoya gets God. You self get God. Which God won't win? We don't see the God where they win. The God where they win. Now Olopa God. Olopa cash one for Nigeria. He cash another one for America. Then go and pay your 375,000. All your prayer, fasting and prayer, you no stop government from slamming you with $375,000. Any kadede. You want to use me? Let me use Ome Eko, them born me for Lagos. Ori mi pe Ome Eko ton ba use. Won Eko kono bisi. Eko kono bisi. Oh meyo. Oh deko. Oh meyo. Oh deko. Abo meyo. Oh deko. Eko no be mi si mi deko ibe no bi mi si no fori mi sole si ni ma sasuru lere. Kilo ibe no bi mi si Abiodun right. Enyo won to ikite kola sohun to ji anybody yan ti mo bi 31 now they wa fe ma gbe mi mora le fe use mi o nda ton yan ma sore thank you face your day Elikaya so Olukoya nínú àlá ẹ ni so Olukoya ń bẹ ẹ̀sùn lójú àlá ni you are so obsessed with Olukoya tí ń bẹ ẹ̀sùn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọkọ ẹ tell us the truth question kan tó ń ṣe yín ká mọ ogun tá máa fún yín kẹ́ tá máa fi wà okay kí ni mo ṣe kí lẹ ṣe mi kí ni mo ṣe. Oh, now you yourself said, I'm trying to tell you what to do on your channel. Because I was saying, hey, take this path that you are going to. Wala lele yi. Accusing somebody. He that will allege must prove. Oh, tí mo sọ fún yín gbà yẹn. Wọ́n wá bẹ ní UK. Wọ́n win yẹn wọ́n UK. Mi mo bi tó tin keshi wọ́n bá ya yon le tó tún lu yon pamọ́ bẹ̀. Wọ́n geshi wọ́n bẹ ní UK. Wọ́n tún lu ẹ̀ pamọ́ UK. The same thing tó wà l'America bí. Wọ́n gẹṣin wá bá ní America wọ́n tún lù pa. Wọ́n ná wọ́n win ní ẹ̀ $375,000. Ìyẹn ni kẹ́mi bá yín torí bọ̀. Ẹ sunkún táyà. Answer the people that did millions of videos for you kó tó jáde that brought out your video in the cell. Ó mọ̀ wọ́n. Why didn't you mention them? Ó ti wò pé Adunni ni ò lágbára. Adunni ni ó ń fa wàhálà lórí social media. Lẹ ṣe attack mi. Ó gbé àwọn ọmọ kékèké dìde. Wọ́n bú ẹ láì ṣe mi. Wọ́n lọ́kọ ọmọ kékeré ló ń dú èmi. Wèrè tó dú ẹ tó bí mo last born ẹ fún kọ́. Ẹni tó bí last born ẹ fún kọ́. Tọmọ kékeré bá dó mi. Ó bí dólòbò. Ẹ wà ń bẹ̀rù àtọmọ kékeré dó mi.
So why did you have to come to be begging? And why did I block you off? Thank you, everyone.
Emma wo, because I was trying to settle her. Pé ìwọ àti Bisola gbọ́ra yín yé ni. Why are you fighting Bisola? You are putting our life at risk because I thought we are all doing the same thing. Ṣé gbogbo yẹn tí ìtajú tó jà? Ó tán o. So why you are fighting me? Funke was pretending and coming to my channel and she wanted me to be talking for her. And I said, all these things you are saying, can I see evidence? And you showed me your evidence. Oh no. Evidence that you want me to talk about nìyẹn. Alápàyàn ni yín. That is why I'm very glad wherever Richard is, he will come out to come and see what Funke is saying about her, about him. Meanwhile, Ohun is the one that sent Richard to jail. Now she can be proud to say, I was wondering, no, I saw that they are not even talking about Richard. You didn't canvass for Richard. You didn't plead for his release. You are only talking about Mureen. Meanwhile, there's another person that you put in jail. Now, let's talk about how she was arrested. Correct story of how she was arrested. Mureen, Timba Paro Jami, how were you arrested in Nigeria? No be today you don't go Nigeria. You dey sneak go Nigeria. I was in Nigeria too 2 years ago, going to 3 years now. Nobody arrested me. Because my going to Nigeria is nobody's business. But because you were greedy, guys, don't forget, I will talk about that. And please remind me of the COS case too. And the guy she took to UK. So, don't forget that she's been sneaking into Nigeria. Right? And she will post the video when she returns and say, look at me in Nigeria, blah, 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 blah. So they said she thought she was wise. She now made friend with a lady who happens to be a senior police officer that she met online. Remember, our YouTube channel was brought down by Sule after they wrote to YouTube that she has been molesting them, defaming them, cyberbullying, and which every one of us will agree to, except you are not learned. When you keep talking about somebody back to back, that is cyberbullying. All right? It's okay to carry their videos that they put outside and talk about. That's one they won't ask you to pull it down. Nobody can arrest you or put in jail for that. Maybe in Nigeria, but even at that, it won't be for so long and it won't be as so tough as the case she has in hand. She has a criminal case on her hands. How is it a criminal case? She will come out. She will mention their name. Pastor, for example, when she was talking about Sule fuck Otobo. You did there when Sule to fuck Otobo. Otobo came to your page. She tell the story, which is fine to tell the story. After that, why you not allowed Otobo to go? People don't hear what they need to do. You are not the police. You are not the government, and you know government will not arrest him. Why not let it go? But because of the money, Oruko Sule in Jawo, Apostle Sule Johnson money, name is bringing a lot of money. Adunni, talk about Apostle Sule, you will be making a lot of money. All this small pastor you are talking about will not give you money. All this trending issue will not give you money. I focus on trending videos. If it be pastor video, if it be celebrity video, if it be other video, I concentrated on that. She now told me, I said, how much? You know, I was new. I don't know much about monetization then. I said, is it bringing so much money? She said, she makes close to 15,000 every month. I said, Egbami, tell me something. She said, nah, so she I no see the view where she they get, make me self begin talk about Sule. So talk about Sule. Mo yonda owó tó máa gbé mi dẹ́wọ̀n. Mo yonda owó tó pé when the problem come, the money cannot save me. Even if the money will save me, I don't go back and forth. Now the money I go still pay court case. Why not avoid trouble? Now that's why I say give myself brain. I no answer. But when I see anything posted on social media, I go carry on. Like there was a time, during that time was when Sule's wife did a video saying nobody can distract her or stop her from loving her husband. Only very well. When this lover now posted a video, series of actress where she alleged Sule of sleeping with, I do video on that one. So anything where I see on social media, I dey carry on. I just do my own go. So it was during that time, I think some 1 or 2 years after, that Sule reported her to YouTube, and YouTube brought her 2 video and YouTube channel down. She now went to open another YouTube channel. They still brought that one down. If it is you, my sisters and brothers watching me, I throw it to you. At that point, what are you going to do? You will give up on that YouTube channel, go and rest. It was also during that time that Olukoya won her in UK, where she said they use a lawyer against her. Whether not true, whether not lie, I don't know. At that point, the lawyer now, Sean Flag meaning. At that point, that they brought our channel down, if it was you and I, what will you do? If it was me, as I then, I think I would take a chill pill. And when I come back, I will change my modus operandi. I will change the way I do what I do different things. And there are so many things to do on social media. So, because she knows she has a lot of followers on that YouTube, and it's so tough to build YouTube channel. It's not like Facebook. YouTube is the one of the strongest place. It's not that easy. It's not something you just open channel. And well, in fact, you can be on YouTube for 1 year, 1,000 people no go subscribe. 1,000 people no go subscribe. But she wanted the old channel back. So she now became a friend with somebody on social media. Please listen, oh guys, be careful people you relate with on social media. Anyway, you guys are you are neutral, so it's, but you can't be doing a sensitive thing like this and be, you know, you get loose with people and just move with anybody that comes away around your way. It's very, very difficult. You know, I've been saying it's the way me. I mind my lane since I started this thing. I don't want trouble because I can never tell. They can even poison you for all you like. Anyway, fast forward. She became friends with this person for a very long time. They were going back and forth, chatting. They now become friendly with each other. They made her very comfortable with that person. She now told the person that she wants to come to Nigeria. No, before then, they now started discussing about what she has been doing on social media, how that lady now told us, I used to be your follower, and I love what you are doing. I was so sad when they took your channel away. Don't worry. If you don't mind, we can get it back for you. That one now, she now asked that person, how are you going to get it? She said, don't worry. By then, she now knew the lady worked with police. At that point, if it was you, won't you see that as a red flag? But she now embraced that lady fully. That lady said she will get the YouTube channel back for her. When she already reported this thing, they say it was a lie. But I got the concrete, more detailed information. Hey! So after she now contacted, the lady said, but I've spoken to some people and my friend, my Ogada is going to do it. They said they are going to charge you 20 million. Please, what is the desperation that will make you agree to pay 20 million? What will make you agree to pay 20 million to have a YouTube channel if you are not making $15,000 every month? You are so sure if you get that channel back, you will get the money back under 1-2 months. That was the desperation that finished your life. The lady then said, no problem. She now agreed to the 20 million. The lady said, Don, when you come to Nigeria, just call me. Immediately she landed in Nigeria. Because of it, instead of taking first economy ticket, she now bought business ticket, tickets. So that when she gets to Nigeria, she will be among the first people that will go out. They will not get her. On getting to Nigeria, of course, she went in 20 million to get her YouTube channel back. When work in America, when work in UK, but COS money at this point, don't forget, they stop allowing them to use COS again. I will come back to COS. Now, COS caused her this problem. She was making serious money with some people in UK on COS before UK can't cancel COS. Now, because UK cancel COS, can't make him go Nigeria so that she can have her YouTube channel back. Yes, business class, thank you. So when she got to Nigeria, she now called the lady that she is around. The lady said, okay, you can start coming. She carry civil defense, Guguru defense, like my mama would call them. She take Guguru defense, do security. She can't carry the civil defense, two of them. She mo parrot in back paro wa jami. After this one, I will not answer you again. Ko ma japoro lokun. Ko ma japoro. If you are not making 15,000 that you told me, why will you agree to pay somebody 20 million to retrieve your YouTube channel back? Kilo leto yen. If one YouTube channel go, you open another one. That's what I know. They will need to pay 20 million to get YouTube channel back. So let's continue, Jere. Anybody to ba dupe wa ba mi, I will not charge you money, and you don't need to mention your name. Tori mo gbọ́ wípé she is even bragging before she left. Ori àwọn tó dupe ní COS, ori wọn ló mú ẹ. Because that COS case is another thing. What she's putting those people through, the people she did COS for that are in UK. Emi o like eka. I've been saying I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. Pe ko jade níbi tó wà no. Ka wa face here. Since we have gotten to this stage, you might as well face it once and for all. So anyway, let's go on. So she was so desperate to have that YouTube back because COS money was not coming in again. So when she got to Nigeria, she called the lady, and the lady said, "Oh, come and meet me in the office, but you will wait inside the car." She never knew it was a planned walk. Wait inside the car until when my ogago don't come out. Olopa, you want to wise pass Olopa? Yeah. You want to wise pass Olopa? Your best bet is not to go near them at all. So when she now got to the office of those people. Now she take her leg, waka go the place. When she now got to the place, they now said she should wait inside the car. That Oga should, when Oga go, she can come inside. Immediately she saw a car go. They said that is the Oga. You can start coming. She now enter their office, sit down. They were gisting. Now for where she dey gist, they arrest her. Mureen Simba Paro Wajami. Simba Paro Wajami. Showore don't talk am, but people no believe. But Showore did not talk in details. Now she take her leg because she wanted YouTube, her whole YouTube back. And she was ready to pay 20 million for that YouTube. If that YouTube channel is not so important, the money you are making, it's not as if you want to use it for a case. So no, you are not using it for a case. You just want that YouTube channel back so you can continue your lies and your propaganda and your manipulation and destroying of people's lives at your own benefit. Tell me how you are different from the pastors. We are saying pastors don't care. They make money at the detriment of people and dump them. Now, talking about dumping people, let's go back to the guy, Amos, that she helped to UK. According to the story, I don't know the beginning of the story, but according to the story, when I asked Aproko, because that's why she's called Aproko, Aproko is very detailed concerning this pastor's issue going on social media, because she was once a victim of church. While she be victim of church, she only learned from her Mumuism, and she moved on. And today she will tell you no pastor can collect 1 naira from her. She was a Winners Parish pastor, member, one of the workers that saw her car, saw a lot of money. She even do labor offering in Winners, and she moved on. And today she's still telling her story. All right. So I asked Aproko, when I saw the story as it was going on, I said, please, I was not on social media when all these things were going. Can you please tell me, how did Amos get... No, I remember now. And bear me witness, people on YouTube on that day, if you are here, please bear me witness. I was doing a show concerning her arrest. What did she go to do in Nigeria? She won't more pen Nigeria. You know, As at that time, we wanted to get information on what was going on. Then Amos now commented on my page, on my show on that day, and was cursing Mureen. Kí ló tó ń ṣe pé fún Mureen? Kí ni Mureen ṣe fún ẹ? What did Mureen do to you? The lady now said, the guy now said, if I talk, some people say I should allow the guy to talk. Some people say I should not allow the guy to talk. At the end of the day, I did not allow the guy to talk on that day. So I asked, I tried to get across to Amos. I couldn't get across to him. Thank you for bearing me witness. Thank you so much. So I now called on Aproko. I said, Aproko, can you please tell me the story behind Amos and Mureen? You are always one of our regular members. What really happened between them? Now this same greed, now carry Mureen reach here. Before I go on, let me play a video for us. Kemago, hold on for me.
And I will
Kore song, akalolo.
One, and I
Mumbo. Okay.
Malo Ibo Naya. Much to say. The much awaited. If you rush me for this news, I'll punch you. For the past how many days now, not the online? Because you know why? I'm not in Nipa.
I want to see if this is the video. No, this is not it.
Malo.
I'm coming, no. Emma Bini. It's very necessary I play this video so that you understand where I'm going.
Yesterday, not be smart in here happen.
Again, if you phone you were. Oh, you were on the show on that day. So, it means evidence in you. I don't see the big deal in that. But to now call me Alabosi because of that. No. I saw through you guys and I ran away. What's going on? I need to find out what is going on. I need to take it easy with you guys. Richard the other one cost on 375. Stop. She's just starting her own case. All right, let me use this phone to look for that video.
They turn the online to another team.
Shemagbo, can you guys hear?
People go bring news call give you now. Your job now to amplify them. You don't come out there. Because not be you and the person get the problem.
Kilegbo, people will bring problem to you. Your own is to just amplify and go on, which is what I do on my own channel too. It's okay for you to have stories. It's okay for you to be a victim. I will empathize with you. If you are a minor, I feel they talk back to back. But it get limits where I go even talk rich, where I go come out mouth. It go get limits that I will talk rich, I go come out mouth. Because I'm not police. If you feel somebody has done something to you or your family, go to police. Not come and see Sule, oh. Ewa woko Sule. Come and see Sule wardrobe. I will talk about that wardrobe too. Come and see Sule Kinekan. Come and see Apostle Sule Naki Ministry. Inak you. Now question. Waiting I see on social media, they talk about it well. Listen.
This woman that they call her Mureen. Now one of the people they trained like 3 years ago, 4 years ago.
Hold on, she was no logo yesterday.
They fire pastor where? I didn't put the wash at that time.
Ovation, you leave when the ovation is loudest.
Because now they arrest her for Nigeria.
Oh yeah, do more learn no.
Talk about her before.
I joke olori oro Sule 7 hours every day. Every day. Money invited Jama Boladam you. Omi ye lala, omi ye yele. Iyo aye, báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ yo aye. Òun forin gba, òun fi ọmọ orin gba owó lọ́wọ́ wọn. Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ yo aye. If you want to be you aye, you carry every pastor story. You go just carry 1 or 2 pastors. For almost 3 years, 4 years, you are on their case. Omi ye lala, omi ye lele. iyọ̀ ayé Mureen Bádéjọ COS náà wà ń bẹ wọ́n ló ṣe ṣégè fún wọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ COS ìkà ọ̀dájú abiyamọ.
Let me just read that. But before I beg the people we offend or anybody, I want to tell you about her. She dey train. Sometimes I dey watch her because I know I dey follow people. Sometimes the thing will just come. I go watch her. One day, now people go dey call me. What do you and Mureen get? What do you and Mureen get? What do you do? I say I not do anything. I know they make friend online. Everybody know. I know they comment for people page. I know they do anything because I know even sabi this Facebook, this online. I know sabi am. I don't there for 9 years. I know.
Now the thing where they do too, I agree. I made mistake going to her. But at a point, I begin to understand that our motives are different. And I withdrew. You will never see me go to anybody's page. Maybe Punch, yo. Maybe my page, yo. I play well on my page. Then Punch. Sahara Reporter. Those are the places you will see my comments. When it comes to national issue.
With Facebook, I don't upload, I don't go. Now people, they do the rest things. He said that also, Suleiman pay me money. Say, make I bring her page down. I said, Suleiman, with me and I pull, with me and I know if they pull it for one trouser. I can't watch the thing. Even me call the person where they do my Facebook. Now today, I won't even know. Apollo. Some of them will know the name. Now they operate a lot of people Facebook that time. Not be now for people just square. I can't call the guys. One woman say, I send her copyright or what What did they happen? Now the guy say on the copyright something. I said no, you know they use a lot of people video because I use a video, they read. I said I beg offer the thing don't cause problem. Before the guy said off the thing. Before I look at Mureen don't write he don't do like 2 to 3 video. Suleiman they pay me to bring people page that me will never know back and front for line. Before I look one, whether that one they shine, I don't know. That one say call the soft mass. Until they bring people page down. Call the soft mass. Because that time I could just reach out to them again. I just leave them for almost how many years now. Now they don't hold the woman. Since that time, the woman they talk about anybody, I don't gonna believe again. Because you know why? The way it take life for my head. Me, I use one of our videos. Like I want to interview Steffi. So because I get views past her, I get followers past her, Facebook will send her the strike because they go on my copyright something. They go send her copyright claim. Be like saying, I mean, the revenue call the committee. You understand how the thing be? Before I could go off the thing that time. But then they change and say, they bring people page down. Since that time, the woman they talk, I not call the listing. Now there, Amos, carry Suleiman, news go give her. They say, now this Amos, I want to Suleiman boy. Yeah, now, they do things, I don't know. He can't carry the case. The problem with Suleiman, now, wait till let me they talk about content creators. When they come, when somebody bring news, can't give you. Your job now to amplify the news, you end there. Then they will continue their own. So even TV station, radio station, not be you will go buy the person problem. From there, not be small thing. So everything we're going to talk because of my own. Anything they talk about any pastor, or Lukoya, being a Lokoja, the Matthew of Fire pastor, Lokoja, being a Lokoya. I don't even understand that your name. I'm not going to believe them because if you can lie for my head like that, people could.
Kile gbọ́ tí Parana sọ. Parana said she lied korokoro on her head. This lady. Now, make I can't talk about the Amos. You can listen to the rest, and some of you have seen that video. When I saw this video, I called Aproko. I said, Aproko, you know the genesis of this story. This Amos boy, a man, is a young man. I said, this Amos young man, don't come my page too. Come talk on my page. I said, do you know about this story? Now Aproko open mouth. My mouth open, I couldn't close it. I don't know why people pack us together that we are doing the same thing. No, we are not doing the same thing. Me, I talk on what I see on social media. I have never said, Pastor Lagbaja Obanyosun, come and see. When they even give me some information of pastors, I go say, I don't mention name. Oh, don't mention name. But when I see a pastor throw one video that is controversial, I will carry that video. I will carry the pastor's video. I will carry the pastor's picture. And when they ask me, the evidence of where I saw it is on social media. That nobody can hold me ransom. Now, if it comes to a case of minor, somebody molesting a minor in a church, I will do the same thing. I will amplify, I will shout, I will scream to a little extent, not to the extent as if I'm going to be the one to arrest this pastor. So I now ask Aproko, I say, please, you know about this story. Can you just enlighten me? Now Aproko tell me, say, he know about that story when it started. Go. I say, please tell me. She said, it began with one lady, one blogger, where they call Coco Mama. I don't know the lady. That the lady used to be based in Austria, that she's back to Nigeria now. They said Amos and his brother used to work with Pastor Apostle Suleiman Johnson. That they were more like his brother in his house. He adopted them. So they live in his house in that place. So I think Sule now sent them to Dubai to be staying. I don't know whether then they pimp woman. And if it be whether they pimp woman, but I don't know. So he now sent them to Dubai to be staying at a point. Maybe fight now broke down between them. They now call Sule out through Coco Mama. Then say Coco Mama now approach Sule. Say, settle these boys, make them go. Then say Apostle, as I was told though, now sent money to Coco Mama to give the boys. He can't give them the money. I'm trying to speak in English for everyone to understand now. He can't give those lady to Coco Mama. I mean, the money to Coco Mama to share between the girls. If you watch, go back and watch Parara on this story. Parara mentioned it. So, when they now gave them money, I think those guys wanted more or something else. And when there was now a fight between them and Coco Mama. They say when they now fought with Coco Mama, they were now looking for another blogger. They now went to Mureen. So as Mureen said, a high profile case, like she told my friend, I will play the video. Before I even know that one, and she tell that one, say, your name cannot bring money. I know they talk about story when you go give me better money. Nobody knows you. So, as she sees in a high profile case, Oruko Sule Njawo, now she embraced the case. Call carry and put for head. Parara, if you listen to that video, Parara said she tried to warn him that this lady go enter problem with waiting these boys they tell you. She now took up the case. At a point, she was now even negotiating financial, like extortion between Sule, Apostle Sule, and these boys. She was even telling Apostle Sule, if she was really standing on the truth, why are you giving Sule condition? Is inside this video. I just played the snippets. That if you can settle these boys, I will stop talking about you. Then said, Sule now said, no, he is not going to. She now went on and on and on. That was when Parana tried to call her attention. Say, hey, this lady, these boys that you are fighting for will put you in trouble. So they now said, she went on. That was how she used almost 2 years to talk about Apostle Sule Johnson. Now, the boy the man that she was trying to help, which was Amos, I was able to get contact of somebody who know that Amos very, very well. I now call, I say, please, how can I get Amos? Somehow, I was able to get information of what happened to Amos. Though I was not told what happened between them and Coco Mama, but I was told how they got to Mureen. And Mureen now asked for evidence for Amos to prove that she knows Sule before she can do the case. The young man now sent her video. I don't know if you remember, if you watch this Parana's video, that video, the video I'm talking about is in that video. The guy now sent Mureen based on trust, not for the video to be published in the public. He now sent Mureen the video of Sule, Apostle Sule's bedroom. Many of us remember we saw that video at that time. This guy sent the video based on trust. The next thing, Mureen just published the video to the public to get views. At that point, that guy's life now became kind of scared for his life. She now moved him to Rwanda. Based on the fact that she was making cool money, she bought ticket for the boy and give him some change. He said, go to Rwanda. So the guy was hiding there for a very long time. At a point, all the money this lady was making to even feed that guy where that guy was hiding was a big deal. The guy will call, he will beg, and all the rest. Now, please, I'm not even supposed to be here. It's because of the video I sent to you that puts me in this situation. Please. In Nigeria, I am comfortable. Okay, yes, I have problem. I brought this problem to you. Maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe by this time, I should have even given up on this case. Omobola, hold on. Mumbo, show the Facebook, Lotus or Abori YouTube. Tell me to bawa be ba mi yo Omobola yen dànù. Ba mi block e to bawa be lórí YouTube. So, you know, even that guy to blame himself, say, if for just accepting fate when in the Nigeria and let things go. That they said the guy said he was trying to help somebody. Now he put her into trouble. So he wanted to be safe. Saying the guy worked for the Sule for a long time. So the guy, they say this guy go beg, he go cry. Say in the day hungry, make he give her money for food. Now you promise and say make him go where in day. Say you go carry and go America and London. He say London, he no go. This place where you keep him, they know they speak English. Life here, it doesn't even have meaning for him anymore. The guy they cry all the time. They say sometimes she go shout on this guy, she go abuse the guy just they manage. Then say eventually, now she can't tell the guy, say, okay, I will help you to do COS. But when you get to Nigeria, when you get to UK, you have to pay for the COS. The lady said, the guy say, how much? She said, it's 20,000. How much? No, 8 million, sorry. 8 million, the guy has to pay back. And the guy agreed. Say, yeah, carry me come out for this place. I'm not okay in this place. You can't carry the guy. They say you can't carry the guy. Carry and go UK. That the guy will be doing a caregiver. The guy agreed. On getting to UK, ask her, why did she fall apart with that guy? She make I continue, make I stop. Make I leave him there. Make she can't talk. Waiting cause her fight with that guy. Make I can't bring evidence. But because I don't want to do back and forth with anybody, go and face your warrants. Go and face what is facing you. I am not your problem. Not be me say make greed eat you up. That you want to pay 20 million for YouTube and you went inside police station by yourself. You took your legs into police station. I didn't take you there. I never took you there. Greed finished you because you couldn't open another channel. You wanted your own channel because COS has been cancelled in UK. COS was giving you money. The money wasn't forthcoming. It's not easy for you to go back to caregiver job. Anyway, let's continue. So the guy, when the guy now got to UK, they said instead of giving the guy job, he was now using that guy for money laundry. What is the money laundry she was using the guy for? Remember, COS was selling so much at this point. She was making a lot of money. She's not the owner of the license, so it was a man that has that license. Remember, there was a case. That was the case I came out to remove myself. She wanted me to speak and fight for her. But I removed myself. We don't talk. Somebody tagged me to this lady, Mureen, and said, Ore Adunni ole. You two are talking about pastors, but yet you are doing the same thing. I didn't collect nobody's money. I never collected nobody's money. And I said, I don't live in America, I live in UK. That was when I did this disclaimer that I'm not affiliated to any blogger on social media. I didn't collect a dime for any COS. I don't know anything about COS. I don't know how they do COS. I said, please remove me from this case. That lady, when the person that was tagging me was one profile. That was when Yeye Kudi did a show on that. It was now later I saw Yeye Kudi doing a show on that case. I said, okay, so this is where the COS story was coming from, and they are tagging me. Idea America, how can you tag me to COS? That person eventually had to even block that lady off because the tagging was too much. I don't know anything about it. I say, whoever collects money for COS will come and explain. Please, I am not the one I'm begging you guys. Ejo, mi wa sórí social media fún gbogbo ilé má tag orúkọ mi mọ́ nǹkan tí ó kàn mí. That was when the battle line was really drawn. Meanwhile, our friend in America here wants to continue using me to propagate our lies about Olukoya. Wọ́n bọ̀ níyẹn o, maybe tomorrow if I don't have strength to continue again. So, they say when that guy now got to UK, instead of giving the guy a job of caregiver, now they use the guy for money laundry. Now somebody call the guy, say, if Olopa catch you, your own is finished in this country. And you know, saying a person will just enter country, we in leg, never stand. Now the guy tell and say, auntie, please, you told me, say you go give me job. That job you're asking me to do every day, I can't continue. Can you please give me the caregiver job you promised me? Now from there, that guy offend her. Now from there, the guy offended her. So instead of giving the guy a job, he began to intimidate the guy. And you know the guy na free person, a new person for UK. Mo ti fẹ́ block your mobile line fúnra mi bí. Facebook ló wà. Mo ti block ẹ. That you are new. The guy was new. He doesn't know anybody. He has to soft pedal. Job, he don't give the guy. They say one day he go inside the house. He was the one, no, don't forget he was the one accommodating this guy. He was the one that put him in the place where the guy was staying. That he was the one that was paying for where the guy was staying. He was the one paying the bills. But he wanted the guy to be doing different errands. You understand? So when he now saw that the guy refused to continue to do the errands, the money laundry errands, now she refused to pay electricity bill for this guy inside cold during winter. During winter. They say the guy nearly died inside the house. After that one, now the guy self convex, reporter to the authority. When she saw that the guy reported that to authority, she penetrated the guy's wife. They now called the guy, say, okay, don't worry. Ask them that, go and tell the authority that we have settled the case. We will give you job. The guy now, they now promised that. Promised the guy. The guy now called authority that they have given him job and all the rest. Immediately they saw that the guy has done that. You know you can't go back and say you did they lied again. That was how they refused to give the guy job. That one day, the guy they managed. Please, I forgot to mention that the guy went to UK with his wife and the child. They now called the wife and told the wife, if you want to continue because of your baby, we will help you out on condition that you leave your husband. She real wicked. Abiamo. See how wicked somebody that calls herself a mother. She won't come on sola to get ma towo bo mi lenu. E ma towo bo mi lenu. Go and face what is facing you. Àwọn àbúrò àtọ̀rẹ́ wọ́n bú mi kiri. Mo de ń gbójú. You came out instead of facing what is facing you. O shano sila do nítorí mo sọ̀rọ̀. Yes, mo sọ̀rọ̀, but mo yin se inu kun azatano. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo de sọ lánàá has nothing to do with you. Of course, kò sí, there is no out. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ Fúnkẹ́ tá ní sọ ìwọ̀nba nínú ti ẹ mọ́. O fò bọ́ta. O ń pè mí lórúkọ ní part 1 ló ṣe. O yìí máa ṣe part 100, you will do part 100. They called the guy's wife and say, if you want us because of the baby you are holding, so yeah, your baby will not suffer, you have to leave that man. So they had told the guy, the lady, call Olopa on your husband. Tell Olopa that he wanted to rape you. And so the lady said, call police on the husband. Say, your husband want grey palm. And you all know that's a serious offense in abroad. The police came. They asked the husband to leave the house while investigation is going on. They did investigation and found out that the lady lied. At this point, between the time they were investigating and everything, the lady packed her load. Till today, as I'm talking, for the past 2 years, the guy does not know where the wife and the child is. As I'm talking, till today. Till today. Till today, the guy does not know where the wife and the child is. Tell me how they have helped this guy. Tell me the goodness they have done to this guy. Gbogbo yín lẹ bí ọmọ, tó bá ṣerú ẹ̀ fún ọmọ yín. All in the name of creating awareness. People have come to me. People talk to me. I protect them. I will tell them this that is happening. The country you have, to fight justice is difficult. What do you think you can do? Some I have helped out of my pockets. Oyagba, lo fi wá nǹkan ṣe. Because I know I'm not using them to make money. I know I am not using them for anything. Creating awareness does not equate risking people's lives. Even journalists, even big TV houses, when they have to investigate people, they will carry them and cover their faces for privacy reasons, for security reasons. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn lè máa sọ the same thing nípa ẹ̀ now. Ṣebí you fought Coco Mama. Wọ́n ní wọ́n gan ló da marriage Coco Mama rú. You went to investigate Coco Mama. Anything that you know about me, bring it out. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ pa mi tí mi ti sọ pa ara mi. Bring it out. Kẹfirọ́sí, the way you always, when you want to tell a story, you will add pepper and curry and thyme and cook it and give it to public. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead. Mo fún go ahead kó ṣe. Mi ò jalè. Mi ò dé fàyè láyé ṣayé. Láíláí ẹlẹ́dàá mi kọ̀, orí mi kọ̀. Why? Because I have my own children. I would never ever do that to anybody. Otobo, the same thing. Otobo bu ẹ ó ṣépè fún ẹgbẹ̀yìn ni. They said that guy is saying, wherever you are, oni bonu e. Mo ní, what if ton bá pe bobo yẹn kó wá ṣe evidence? Wọ́n ní bobo yẹn láyé òun ò lè ṣe evidence kankan. Tóun bá ní nǹkan tóun lè gbélé tó máa fi file Ọlọ́hun ò ní gbélé. Kí ló dé tẹ́ fẹ́ràn owó kọjá ẹ̀mí yín lọ? Kí ló dé tẹ́ fẹ́ràn owó tí greed tó jọba lọ́kàn yín tẹ́ dẹ̀rù àtúbọ̀tán pẹ́yìn náà bímọ? Ẹ fàyè àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni. The other one was dancing. Pé kí ló kàn òun? But meanwhile, she was the one that said what kept Richard in the prison. And I have a lot of information, concrete evidence. Tí wọ́n sọ wípé òun ló ń sọ fáwọn to be crying on social media so that they can be telling public pé nǹkan tó Olúkọ̀yà ṣe. Kí ló dé, kí ló le tó yẹn? Kí ló le tó yẹn? To the extent you guys went to open WhatsApp group. Inside that WhatsApp group, your children are there. Kí làwọn ọmọ yín wá nínú WhatsApp group or in social media? You don't even care for the privacy of your children. You kept your children. The other one, to wà l'American bí, her husband is the admin. He's part of the admin. Lórí social media. Mi ò gbọ́rú eléyìí rí. Your desperation is out of this world. Your desperation is out of this world. For what? Lórí kíni àti kíni. And you have children. Lórí kíni àti kítúni. Kí ló le tó yẹn? Èmi ni ó sọ pé o mọ̀ rí. I don't know you too. The way we talk about others, a sọ ń pa ara wa náà. Kó tó bá mọ̀ ń pa mi kó sọ, pátápátá Adunni marry. Àpèrè ní fẹ́ he sleep with somebody. Lè ní mo jalè. Lè ní mo destroy ayé aláyé to build my life. Lè ní mo lọ gbéyàn kan wá. Kó wá parọ́. Kí ló dé? Sarah reported that case. Many of them, people were saying it's a lie, it's a lie. They say it's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. Story yẹn ni mo gbọ́ wọn láì sọ kọ́bọ̀. These stories will come to you. It's now left to you on what to make use of that story, how to make use of that story without risking the lives of people, without jeopardizing the safety and security of people involved in the story. You guys keep risking people's lives. Even that guy, they said that guy cannot reach Nigeria because it was that guy that gave you the video of Apostle Sule. And he didn't give you the video to put in the public. You kept the video, you put the video in the public. In the process, àwọn méje noku. Àwọn méje. Tell me what you have achieved. Ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn tó kú yẹn kò ní jẹ́ onísinmi. Ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn tó kú lórí case yẹn kò ní jẹ́ onísinmi. Out of greed. People call me when I'm doing stories. Some things they will tell me until and I will listen. Did these people you are fighting, ṣé wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan fún ẹ personally, which was what even Parana was asking. Tó le tó yẹn. Kí ló dé lórí owó àfọwọ́bà sílẹ̀? The other one say, no, so you say that other one. That one is not greedy for real. That other one for America here, she's not greedy, but she wants to have a church.